Progress continues on the Bledsoe-Miller STEAM Center, with major milestones now complete and moving us closer to the ribbon cutting this month. The playground, exterior murals, and landscaping are finished. Flooring is installed, and crews are now putting in the building's technology and audio-visual equipment. The community is invited to the ribbon-cutting ceremony on January 16th at 10 a.m. Parking will be limited, so shuttles will be available from Heritage Square. Once complete, the STEAM Center will offer a transformative space where people of all ages can explore science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math through hands-on learning. With support from local partners, the center will provide up-to-date curriculum and expert instruction to expand education, innovation, and opportunity in Waco. Learn more at wacosteamcenter.org. The Waco City Council has approved a contract to replace the lighting on the I-35 frontage road bridges that run alongside the Interstate over the Brazos River near McLean Stadium. Currently, the lighting system is operating at only partial capacity, with about half of the fixtures no longer working. The existing system has also become increasingly difficult to maintain, requiring specialized equipment. The planned upgrade will replace outdated components and improve long-term reliability, while reducing the need for complex maintenance in the future. The contract totals just over $1.5 million. Construction is expected to begin in January and wrap up by spring 2026.